Hello guys.
Hello Bubblies.
Welcome back to our channel.
Yes, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to be painting. Guess what we're going to be painting? Not a human face. So we're not doing makeup today.
Yes.
Anyway, so today we're going to be doing sip and paint. Yes, and we're going to be painting this picture.
Yes.
Within a limited period of time, of course. And we're going to know at the end of the day who is a better painter.
Guys, I know you are rooting out for me. I don't know how to paint, but
you want to do a sentimental vote.
Team May, I know a lot of you are voting for me, so I'll make you proud.
But at the end of the day, you know who the winner is going to be.
It's
of
me
course,
now.
no.
Of course, it's me.
I don't know why you follow me, they argue for something where you know what's in the obvious.
I know Sabi, but it's going to be me.
It's alright. So let's see. I am very, very certain that somebody will be embarrassed at the end of the day.
It's not me.
So, cheers to the beginning
of your defeat.
Allow me to talk. Cheers to the beginning of your defeat.
And cheers to the beginning of your defeat. Oh. It's sweet, your defeat sweet. So.
No, your defeat is sweet. Alright, so let's get started. What did they count?
But I draw now. Stop looking at me.
There's what in finance, it's what we call grid line.
Shut up.
So normally,
mind your business.
Normally, I'm supposed to put grid line. Let me be teaching you now. Wait till you draw.
You see that some people just cannot mind their business.
That's my hand does it go. Guru. I can hear you shouting away there. What is away? What's going on there?
My pencil is not working well. That's why my diagram is not fine. How do you say they do this side?
You did ask me. No, you say you did draw.
I say I don't draw now. Then I'll just make it clear to you.
That what?
I don't draw.
Okay, but you were drinking to my defeat.
Because I know I can learn on the job.
Okay, well, I learn on the job now.
Brother, it's not like that, so it's not like that. We're here to help each other.
See this one, I'm not serious. You just have to make the lawyer from the beginning.
Bros, I beg. Me go daddy.
No way. Who will the mingo?
Do I know what I'm doing here?
Okay, thank God you don't admit it. You know what you do.
I have been admitting since this video started. I gave a disclaimer that I'm not an artist, right, guys?
But you were saying they should select their winner, that you are the winner.
Because I know that somehow, when I pick up my... You understand?
I don't understand that, baby.
When I pick up my pencil, I will do so well. Agogo needs to come and help me out. Our daughter, baby.
She got her drawing skills from me.
What is it? For me, Jerry.
Now only eyebrow now is a bit draw.
Yeah, at least I sabi. It's not easy. But this diagram looks very easy. How come?
Oh yeah, do them now. It looks very easy.
See your ugly painting. You like your head.
Do you they make mouth?
No, go finish this my.
I make your own no go fine. So just the talk.
My own go fine. Guys, this guy is having bad belly towards me. You don't know that I'm an artist too. they do this thing?
You don't know if you find artists. See how this one.
Help me do my own.
See this one. How much you get?
Don't laugh, okay?
Never say laugh. I will laugh with her today. This is your frog, so they follow.
Frog.
I don't know what you drop for that. That thing no be bee.
My lady bee.
I mean a bug. That thing a frog. Now you draw so.
I'm almost done with it. See work now. My people, see my work.
Finish. Really? Are you ready for unveiling?
See my work. The girl has got.
Okay. So we're done. And if you remember at the beginning of this video, we checked to our defeat. I checked your defeat today. Follow me the chance to buy my defeat back.
I checked your defeat because, guys, I did very well. I know I'm not an artist.
See, that's her voice. Not reduced. Anyway, there's something significant about that drawing that I really liked. In the diagram, as you can see, there was a bee. Check this bee, Nabi. A bee bug. What is this called?
It's a bug.
Bug, Abi. Ladybug. Somebody drew frog.
Please don't mind him. There's something significant about the diagram that I love. Okay.
Wait, let us unveil it.
In the place that's supposed to have something like this is petals now. This is this stem Abi.
Jesus, please just hand it there.
Wait, his own is looking like rubber band that they folded.
Don't worry, they will see. So let's take off the tip and then unveil.
Right.
So as you guys know, this is the image that we're trying to replicate. So who is going to go first?
Go first, please.
Why should I go first? Let's ladies first.
No, let's just open together.
Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2. So put side by side.
Then.
So let us know. Raise it up a little bit. So
okay. Is it okay?
Yeah, I think it's perfect. So first out on the other side. So as you can see, this is J and this is me.
Ah, see, that's my own fine.
Can you see her frog?
It's called Lady B, not frog.
So please, guys, rate us. You know the winner is already, but me no be still say partiality.
Now, see your funny looking.
Leave it. So please, guys, let us know who the winner is. Rate us in the comment section below, okay?
Guys, you know I'm the winner.
I'm admiring my work anew.
I'm so proud of myself. For somebody that does not know how to draw, I did perfectly well.
Okay, guys, please don't forget to like,
share,
subscribe if you have not subscribed.
Mary loves you. I wrote this first and he went to go and copy what I wrote.
Jay loves you more.
I love you guys. Please vote for me.
For what?
Winner of this artwork. This is why I'll just put my wall.
On the wall.
This is lovely.
Only you go wake up all night, go come out.
I finish work. Guys, we've come to the end of this section and I know you really enjoyed this.
And this is something that you can try at home.
Yes.
Just look for a simple diagram on the internet and then try to replicate it.
Poster color and you are good with
this brings back memories actually.
Yes,
secondary school and primary school.
It's nice because it's been long I actually tried this drawing and I feel very happy doing it. So tell us in the comment section who the winner is of
whose drawing is the best. You already know, Shabo.
You already know.
Be evidence.
Yeah, me no be like say one person they try bribe one person. But you already know. Okay, and please like and subscribe to our channel. Please share this video with other people. Okay, so till next time,
keep a positive attitude
and stay bubbly.